Young People at a Crossroads is a research project that ran from 2021 to 2023. It was funded by the UK Economic and Social Research Council. In recent years, you may have heard people saying humanity is at a crossroads when they are talking about climate change. They are usually saying this to try and get people, and particularly people in power, to take action. We wanted to explore with young people what it feels like to be growing up at such an urgent time. Climate change is already becoming a major driver of global migration. People who migrate across countries have to navigate crossroads of their own, and we wanted to hear about their experiences. The project book shares stories and ideas about climate change education, climate change action, and climate change adaptation. Young researcher Stephen came to Australia from Nairobi, Kenya in 2015 with his parents, Eunice and Robert.
When I was interviewing my parents, I was able to learn more about them and their childhood and how the world back then was different from now in terms of the environment and society's views on climate change. Growing up, my mom and her friends used to collect plastic bags and turn them into soccer balls and kick them around. She'd watch the plastic bags drift away into the sky without a trace to be found and never really thought that those plastic bags would ever affect the world. My dad knew the importance of planting trees as well, such as making the surroundings look beautiful and temperature cooling.
The cover of the book brings together things that families told us about their lives in the places that they lived, including the positive changes they've been a part of, tree planting, protests and beach cleans, and the concerns they have about issues such as fossil fuels, landfill waste and polluting transport. The winding road across the cover shows there is no single one-way path towards a more environmentally sustainable and livable future, but in fact we are all in this together and all have a part to play.